This video will show you how to replace the wireless WAN card in your ThinkPad. The process in this video will work for the ThinkPad P16v Gen 3. You will need a screwdriver kit, a non-metallic pry tool, static safe tweezers, and 20 minutes of your time. Caution! To avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard flat surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. First, you must disable your built-in battery before removing any parts. Make sure to disconnect your power adapter from the computer. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the Setup menu. Select the Config menu. Select the Power menu option. Select the Disable Built-in Battery menu option. Select Yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Loosen the 8 captive screws on the bottom of the system. The captive screws do not come out of the base cover assembly. Do not try to remove them. Starting near the hinges, use your fingers or a non-metallic pry tool to unclip the cover and remove the cover from the system. Disconnect the antenna cables from the wireless WAN card. Loosen the screw and remove the bracket from the card. Carefully pull the wireless WAN card from the slot. Insert the wireless WAN card into the slot. Align the bracket with the card and tighten the screw. Connect the orange antenna cable to the orange terminal on the wireless WAN card. Connect the white and gray antenna cable to the white and gray terminal on the wireless WAN card. Connect the black and gray antenna cable to the black and gray terminal on the wireless WAN card. Connect the blue antenna cable to the blue terminal on the wireless WAN card. Place the cover onto the chassis, inserting the edge opposite the hinges first, and press down around the edges to secure the clips. Tighten the 8 captive screws on the bottom of the system. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery. You can find links to additional resources such as self-repair guides and the Lenovo parts store in the video description. For even more resources like user guides and manuals, visit the product page for your device at pcsupport.lenovo.com. For more information on your Lenovo devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube.